Bittorrent Value Forecast 2023 to 2024. Bittorrent cost began 2023 at 0.000062 and is currently exchanging at 0.000047, a decrease of 24 from the beginning of the year. Bittorrent cost is anticipated to finish 2023 at 0.00063, with a year-over-year change of plus 2% and a rise from today to year-end of plus 34. In the first half of 2024, the Bittorrent cost will drop to 0.000059, and in the last quarter, the cost will drop by 0.00007, closing the year at 10 Juillet, 0.000047 July 18, July 0.000047 Wednesday, July 19, 0.000047, July 20, 0.000047, July 21, 2005 0.000047, Saturday, July 22, 0.000048, Sunday, July 23, 0.000048, Monday, July 17, 0.000048, August 15, 0.000050, September 15, 0.000053, October 15, 0.000056, November 15, 0.000059, December 15, 0.000062. This 5-year period, from 2025 to 2029, is anticipated to see an increase in Bittorrent traffic. Bittorrent cost would increase by 17%, from 0.000052 to 0.000061. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at 0.00052, rise to 0.00053 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 0.00048. Which is an increase of 2% from today's price. Bittorrent forecast 2030 to 2034. During this period, the Bittorrent cost will rise from 0.00061 to 0.00081. A 33% increase. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at 0.00061, rise to 0.00065 in the first half of the year, and end at 0.000069, which is approximately plus 47 from today's price. Bittorrent Value Forecast 2023 to 2024. Bittorrent cost began in 2023 at 0.000062 today. The Bittorrent exchanged at 0.000053, so the cost decreased by 15 from the start of the year. The anticipated Bittorrent cost toward the finish of 2023 is 0.0000.053. And the year-to-year change 15. The change from today to year-end 0% in 2023. We hope to see 0.000059 per 1 Bittorrent in the principal portion of 2024. The Bittorrent cost will move to 0.000062 in the last portion. The cost would include 0.000. Bittorrent anticipates that the years 2025 to 2029 will see an increase. Bittorrent cost would shift from $0.0000066 to $0.0000113, which is up 71. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at 0.0000066, then drop to 0.00062 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 0.00067. Which is an increase of 26 from today's price. Bittorrent forecast 2030 to 2034. During this period, the Bittorrent price will rise from 0.0000113 to 0.0000045, a 28% increase. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at 0.0000113, rise to 0.0000120 in the first half of the year, and end at 0.0000127. An increase of approximately 140% from today's price. 6 to 1 2023 Bittorrent value X expectation 2023 to 2024 Bittorrent cost began in 2023 at 0.000062. Today, the torrent exchanged at 0.000059, so the cost decreased by 5 from the start of the year. The gadget Bittorrent cost toward the finish of 2023 is 0.000053 and the year-to-year change 15. The tumble from today to year-end 10 in 2023, we hope to see 0.000060 per 1 Bittorrent in the principal portion of 2024. The Bittorrent cost will move to 0.000062 in the final segment. The cost would include 0.00004. And Bittorrent predicts that between 2025 and 2029, the price of Bittorrent will rise from 0.000066 to 0.000013, a 71% increase. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at 0.000066, fall to 0.000062 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 0.000067, a 14% increase from today's price. Bittorrent forecast 2030 to 2034. During this period, the Bittorrent price will rise from 0.000013 to 0.000045, a 28% increase. In 2030, Bittorrent will commence at 0.000113 and then accelerate to 0.00012. Bitcoin falls after news that Binance will lay off 1,000 workers. After the news that Binance was letting people go, the price of Bitcoin dropped by more than 2.7%. The price of Bitcoin dropped sharply on Saturday after reports that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, let go of about 1,000 employees, and the layoffs could continue. After the news came out late Friday night, the Wall Street Journal was the first to report it. This caused the price of a single Bitcoin to drop by nearly $30,000. After the news that Binance was letting people go, the price of Bitcoin dropped by more than 2.7%. According to a story in the Wall Street Journal, Binance could let go of up to one-third of its nearly 8,000 employees before the layoffs started. A spokesperson for Binance told Forbes that it has become clear to the company that it needs to focus on talent density across the organization to ensure we remain nimble and dynamic as it prepares for the next major bull cycle. Both Binance and Coinbase are being sued by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The U.S. regulator sued Binance, its CEO Changpeng Zhao, BAM Trading, and BAM Management last month for reporting